What's up, everyone? Nightmare here. Today we have the very fun Hippie No.3 challenge lock from Lock Picking Hippie. I got this one open off camera, and it took me probably about 45 minutes to figure out that one of these pins is a low lift. I've been picking a lot of gin style CLs recently, and my immediate thought was that it needed to be floated, but I was overcomplicating it. So I'd love to get this one on camera. This was a very fun one. Once I figured out that I was making a big mistake. Also trying out these new picks from Covert Instruments. These have been fun. Just do a little bit deeper hook. There we go. Felt like two wanted to set, but wouldn't come around. Just back to the short. Nice deep false set. Switch back to the short again. We overset, but I think we recovered. Really nice. Clicks out of 1, 2. Okay, there we go. Super fun peg. It was a great job you did with that hippie. space cleaned up and we can gut this guy. I also love the gold too. I feel like you don't see that many gold Euro cylinders. Let me grab my gutting stuff. Let's get this guy taken apart. Looks like we can just go out the top, so I don't even need a shim. Let's go ahead and lock this guy back up. Trying to figure out what bits these are. Oh, that was working. I twisted it and it actually started unscrewing it, and I thought it was like not fitting. How funny. Okay, start at the front. Holy, it's a grub screw. Nice spring. Oh yeah. Very nice spool. Nice standard keep in there. Yeah, this thing was surprisingly tough for a 5-spin lock. I feel like most CLs are deceptively tough. Oh, tiny little spring. Oh, what the heck? It's like a, yeah. It's like a pin inside of a pin. Super cool. What the heck? I don't even know how to go about making that. Here we have a nice looking key pin. So I can show this off. We'll definitely get a close-up of that pin-in-pin element here in a sec. We do our close-up. This guy looks like an hourglass. It's super cool. This pin works crazy. Makes me want to get started on a challenge lock. Oops. Look at this guy. standard driver. I feel like it's always nice to mix in some standards with stuff. You're like feeling around for all this crazy stuff, and then all of a sudden you get a standard and you're like stumped. Beautiful key pins too. I love all the serrations and stuff. Oh. Very cool. These are crazy. There we go. Nice little torpedo style key pin. Try not to bend this C-clip. Actually, let's grab the key. Also, check out this bag that it comes in. Super cool. This is like iron-on, I think. It's the key. Yeah, that's the low lift that was getting me. Awesome bitting. I love this. Okay, let's put the key in so we can just kind of hold the core steady while we pull this guy off. Alright. Let me do this. It's like almost off. Oh, I just put it back on. I really want to see the core modifications, if any. C-clip is on there. Well, sometimes I can just kind of put my finger like this and kind of like... We're gonna get this off. It's gonna be the whole video, but we're gonna get it off. There we go. Oh my gosh. I just did not have the finesse today. Pull the key out now. So now we get to this point where it's just kind of in these recesses. We should just be able to... I say should. Once more onto the tool bin. Okay. I don't know what brand these C-clips are, but buy those. Because those stay on. Okay, yeah, this is what we wanted to see. Back hat. Nice little full set from that, that's what that pin and pin element was in. So chamber 2. So awesome work. Oh, and some undercut milling, it looks like. Nothing crazy, but it's definitely there. You can see it better in the camera. So that is super cool. Let's get a close-up of this guy. So a huge thank you to Lock Picking Hippie for making this awesome challenge lock and putting it out there into the community. I was super happy to be able to pick this. And I will get it going along to the next person. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.